welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my brand new curling wand, which is the Chopstick curler. This is the version, the long. I picked this up for just £25 at Boots, so not breaking the bank at all. There was a £5 offer at Boots. I think the original price was £30. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. I've never had a chopstick curler before, and I've always looked at sort of pictures on Instagram and on Pinterest thinking, oh my gosh, I love that girl's hair, I need to try and make my hair look like that. So I finally treated myself. I know it is January and just after Christmas, but what do you want for £25? The reason I picked this long version rather than the original chopstick styler is that if I ever grow my hair quite long, or if I ever wear extensions, then this tongue will cover the length of the hair. There's nothing worse than having to sort of curl a piece of hair twice just to try and make sure it's all curled. So I've not opened this yet. I am looking forward to trying it. I've seen a lot of pictures and videos of people using this on Instagram, and I will leave the link down below if you are interested. The great thing that I've just noticed on the box is that it has 5 years warranty, which is amazing because with most electrical appliances you actually only get 2, so I can't complain. And apparently this has got, this has been infused with avocado oil, which is interesting to know. Take that out of the box. Okay, so I've just cut it out of the box, and as you can see, it is quite a long tongue, which is amazing because I think most ones have at least a few inches less. This does go up to 210 degrees, and I'll probably put mine on the highest temperature just because I think that as my hair is quite thick and strong, it just curls best when I have it on higher temperatures. There we go, it's on 210 degrees. There is a little light that shows it's heating up. And whilst that is happening, I'm going to put on some heat defense spray. This is just a Tresemme Pro Collection Keratin Smooth heat protection spray. I'm just going to spritz that all over it. And just give it a bit of a brush. And now what I usually do is just put my hair into different sections and do it layer by layer because I do have quite a lot of hair. I'm hoping that this won't take too long to curl. I have actually had a haircut recently, so it's not as long as it usually is. Just gonna clip that up there, looking super sexy. And then just make sure that I've got 2 pieces at each side that I can focus on curling first. Gosh, that has heated up really quickly, which I'm happy about because I hate waiting. That's why I love my GHDs, because they literally heat up so quick. I'm going to take a small section of the hair and just start wrapping that around. And hope that it works its magic on my hair. Have you guys got one of these chopstick stylers, or were you just looking at my video to see whether or not it's worth investing in? I really hope it is, and considering I only paid £25, I can't really complain. I'm holding this on longer than I usually would just because it is still heating up. Although it's hot, it may not be the maximum 210 degrees, so I'm just keeping it on there a little while. Just going to clip this back on my head, and then I'm just going to let go. Wow, can you see that? It has actually curled my hair. Which is amazing, and that was quite quick. Just going to spray that first layer with some Weller Silverkin Firm Hold hairspray, but I will be brushing this out later on, and then I'm just going to keep working in layers throughout the rest of my head. Another layer complete. I'm just going to add some hairspray. Okay, so I'm just gonna like brush through it and try and make it look a little bit less ringlety. I'm just gonna use like a little backcombing brush to try and brush it a little bit more. And this is the finished look. So what do you guys think of this? Would you try these curlers? Have you already got some like it and you want to try this new brand? Let me know what you think.